In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with Outlook seamlessly through Zapier. If you've ever wanted to streamline your tasks between these two platforms, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the entire setup process, ensuring a smooth and efficient integration so you can focus more on what truly matters, your productivity. Let's get started. First, head over to Zapier's website. Navigate your way to the Zaps section. If you're new here, Zaps are essentially automated workflows that connect your apps together. Zapier makes automation easy, even if you're not a tech whiz. Now that you're here, let's click on the Create button. This will lead us to the fun part where we start crafting our automation. Once you've clicked Create, you'll see the option to start a new Zap. Let's click on that because we're going to set up a new automation from scratch. These Zaps will essentially be like little productivity boosts for you throughout the day. After selecting New Zap, you'll need to type Notion to Outlook into the search bar. This step allows you to specify the two platforms you're looking to connect, signaling to Zapier that we're creating a workflow that involves both Notion and Outlook. Next, you'll want to click on the Send Arrow button. This is Zapier's way of confirming that you've chosen the correct action or trigger. It's the starting point for your automated workflow. Once you've clicked that, Zapier will begin setting things up in the background for you. The automation process should only take a few moments to get going, so be patient while it does its thing. During this waiting period, take a moment to review any instructions provided by Zapier. These can offer useful insights into any specific setup requirements or additional settings that you might want to tweak to customize your Zap even further. As your setup is underway, you'll notice another window popping up on your screen. This is an important step because you'll need to sign in with your Outlook account in this new window. Your login will authenticate your accounts, ensuring that Zapier has permission to connect and facilitate communication between Notion and Outlook on your behalf. That's essentially all there is to it. You've now walked through the process of connecting Notion with Outlook using Zapier. With your new Zap in place, you can look forward to enhanced efficiency, with tasks and information flowing effortlessly between Notion and Outlook, just the way you designed. With this integration up and running, you're now better equipped to manage your tasks and communications across these powerful platforms. Remember, automation is about working smarter, not harder, and by harnessing tools like Zapier, Notion, and Outlook, you're well on your way to achieving that.